First of all, this is very difficult to even set up. No, I custom them edges real fast, child. When they start, they don't want to be a baby no more. Oh, you don't want to be a baby no more? Okay, well, snip. The fuck? I don't have grown edges over here. Ain't no grown edges over here, just baby. So what? I'm here. Is my face dry? Don't worry about that. I'll be trying to do a lip scrub because my lips was trying to get black. But they did get black, but guess that's gonna be what it is. I'm here. I'm trying to do my lashes. This is from Amazon. I need to watch a video first. I really do need to watch a video. I promise I don't mean no disrespect, but you know, I gotta stick with my people. And they was like chill with going to the Asians. And I just got my lashes done. I ain't really like them anyway. Kim Sue, no disrespect. I think her name was Kim or Sue or Kim Sue. She really didn't listen to me because I had said that I wanted them to look like lash extensions, and she did not listen to me. Now I don't know if that's possible, but that's what I wanted. So she could have just added less lashes and I would have been happy. I even told her, I'm gonna show y'all how it looked. It was cute, but it was just way too thick. And I'm just like, I didn't ask for this. You know I did not ask for this anyway. So I still gave it to her. So now I'm going to do it the way that I want to do it. But I don't know what I'm doing. So, you know, I'm just gonna do the best that I can. I don't know. I ordered something to eat. I hope it comes on time because I'm hungry. You need to pinch your lashes. Pinch your lashes. She's like, pinch the lashes. Self-explanatory. Well, it's not, but she did good with explaining it. She used a piece of tape. Her shits look good at the end, so that's what we're gonna do, as we say. It's not the kind of tape she had. She said, take the piece of tape, tape your eyelid. Oh my God, I don't know what I'm doing. This real crazy. You know, Kim Sue, she ain't listen to me. She put too many fucking lashes. Now, see, the girl, she had said start with 14, or she starting with 14. Girl, I don't even know what, oh, there go the numbers right there. Oh, got it. Girl, look, I can only blink one eye. Now, that's crazy. I can't believe I'm getting started already. This is crazy. It's two sides. One said... One says bond and one says seal. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's making my eye water. From the tip to the root. From the tip to the root. From the tip to the root. Ah, it's burnt. Okay. Go ahead, and I'm going to start with 14 as well. Fuck it, I'm starting with 15. You don't listen. For real, for real. Everybody focus. Everybody calm down because now it's getting serious. Oh my God. She said get real as close as possible without getting on that pink line. And then she said push it. Well, she didn't say that. She didn't say push it. She said clip it, pinch it. That's what's her vocabulary. What y'all think? Oh no. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just go ahead and add lashes to my job. Okay, market anyway for a job. Might as well do some lashes. How many times do you do 15? I'm gonna do 15 one more time because that's what feels right. Oh my gosh, look. I feel really good. I feel really good about this. Like, I just feel like I should just go ahead and do lashes at this point. Like, lash tech. And so I did 2 15s. Now I'm going to do 2 14s. Okay, this 14. Can you do clusters? Yes. I did 15, 2 15s, 2 14s, 2 13s, 1 12. That's what I did. So then the next thing she said, go in with the seal. I was pinching them, but seal. Be careful with the seal because the seal hardens your lashes. Wipe the crevices. What y'all think? Just go ahead and book with me now, because if you wait, then the price is gonna go up, and I don't want you to miss out. Okay, so book with me now. Okay. I don't know, this second side, it's not really acting right. I don't know shit. Okay. Don't stress out. It's okay. Damn, I didn't think I was gonna get that one. That one was crazy. Don't fucking start with me, Tate. I'm barely. I'm not gonna let it break me. I'm not gonna let it break me. Okay, let me focus. Woo! My order came. All right, guys, look at that. Mm. You need to stop barking at that lady. Well, she is gone, honey. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. This side was hard. You done. I want to thank God. So yeah, y'all could do it yourself. They said it can be done. It can. I just did it. Save your money. Cause they said y'all need to like stop spending y'all money over there. Look, y'all, I did it. So you could do it yourself. Or get you a, lash tech like me. Shop black. You know what I'm saying? Or, for real lash techs in the comments where y'all at. I had to come back and look at it. Oh my God, it's so cute.